Hi, good morning. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a thumbnail using a software called as Canva. Canva is one of the most powerful tools that you can create thumbnails or posters or edit your images or create collages or presentations, whatever you need, whatever the document format you need. You can create a powerful and a simple and highly presentable graphics using this application, and it's for free. And most of the YouTubers, those who are beginners or those who are experts or advanced people, those who are into the graphics, they all use this application for creating quick outputs, like for example thumbnails, etc. So from this moment onwards, you will be watching my mobile screen. So how to use it, how to download it, it's very simple. It's on the Play Store. You can download the app and you have to sign in using your Gmail ID, and you have a valid internet data like turned on. It works on cloud, it works on online, so we cannot use it on offline. So that's the one drawback about Canva. Anyway, you have to you have to follow the steps so that you can create a little bit of like some kind of professional touch will be there. Anyway, try to learn something. Okay, so bye. Hi. So this is the application interface, and it's called. I already logged into the application. It's very easy to set up. So you just give your Google ID, that is Gmail ID, then you can log into your application. And this is the interface that you get, and it's a ton of designs, plenty of designs that you can see. And you have 4 options in the down. That is home, projects, then templates, and then the pro version. So we are not going to use any kind of pro versions because it consumes a good number of money. So that we are sticking to the basic version. You get the templates without having any kind of a previous experience, without looking into the design, everything. Don't want to learn anything. Don't want to know anything. You can just go to the template and edit the template. So we have projects, and we have the home button. So on top of the left, on the top left of the corner, you can see 3 lines, and in that you can see something regarding your profession, regarding your profile. That is my profile, so settings and everything. Don't want to get into all these things right now. So there are so many things. Okay, your recent designs, what things you have designed. It has a backup feature. So whatever you have done, it will be there. So even if you go offline, or even if you lose the design or the photos that you have stored in your phone, you can always download it. So anyway, so we are going to create this. Okay, now we are going to design a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail. So if you check Google, for example, I'm going to take you get into Google, and I'm going to search something called YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail site. Okay. So here you see there's the AI interview. So 1280 by 720 is the pixels. Okay, 1280 by I believe the length, and 720 by height. So you need a 16:9 aspect ratio. So that's we are going to do. So 1280 by 720 is the default resolution of the YouTube thumbnail. So we are going to tap on the plus button, and we are going to select custom size. Okay, now I'm going to type in the height. Okay, 1280, that is the width. If you take a rectangle, the width means the breadth. Okay, and the height, that is means the so width means the length. Okay, height means breadth. Okay, so it is 720 pixels. Okay, pixels. You have to be careful in pixels and inches and mm. Okay, pixels. Okay, now I'm going to type in create new design. Now you can see right now a blank white screen. So this is the empty canvas that you get. So what you can do is that it automatically opens the templates. We don't want any templates. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to create a thumbnail. So first of all, try to understand some creativity over here. Okay, some creativity over here, so that because it's your video, right? So what I'm going to do from your basic scratch. Okay, first of all, think about your video. What about your video? I'm going to create a video. I have already done a video regarding how you can upload a video to the YouTube. Okay, that's a basic tutorial. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the text file. Okay, now you can see a ton of fonts. The fonts means how your letters, the text will be appear that in computers, so in systems, that is called as fonts. Okay, you can have bold, italic, underscores, and everything like that. But we are going to stick on to the basic things. There are so many fonts. Like you have the Microsoft fonts. If you are fond of computers, Microsoft fonts. If you are fond of Ubuntu, you have a lot of Ubuntu fonts. Like so different fonts are there. So we are not going to get into that, but we are going to just type in something. There are so many templates over here. You can choose any of these things. So we are not going to do anything. So we have the basic things like the default text like heading, subheading, and body. We are going to choose heading. Okay, now I am going to type in the content that I need. How to upload a video to YouTube. Sorry, using smartphone. Okay, this is the content. So this is the text that has to appear. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to style it. So for that, you have to select everything. Then on bottom of that, you have plenty of options. So I'm going to select. If I tap bold, B means bold, it will be thicker. If I want to be italic, like underscore, I don't want all those things. And you can see the fonts. Different fonts are there. You make it capital. You can type all these things. Okay. If you want to increase the height, you can reduce it or increase height. So my font has to be in the middle of the image, whole image. So I'm going to see text styles are there, and in the middle, and it automatically justifies, and you know the justify feature, so everything aligned. Okay, if you want bullets, okay, if you want line spacing, okay, in between header spacing or like that, so okay, that's enough. If you want line spacing, okay, if you don't want that, okay, so line spacing can be increased like this, but I don't want that much line space. Okay, it consumes too much of space. Okay, line spacing must be lesser, right? Okay, so this is how my text looks now. If I type on text, I can reformat it. Although there are so many options are there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a small background, like for example, like effects. You have so many effects like shadow. We can make it shadow. Okay, shape. Okay, sorry, lift. Okay, how to hollow. So many options are there. I'm not going to do anything. So I'm going to do just as a default. So what I want to do is that you can make it into like this. Okay, like you can curve it. Okay, no, we are not going to do anything. I'm just going back. Okay, on top of it, you can see the back button. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a box. So this is the just a video, just a text, that is how to upload a video to YouTube using smartphone. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I need a small space, like for example a background for only to the text. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add elements. Okay, now I'm going to click on the shapes. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag like this. Okay, now I'm going to do the something called as layer formatting, and you can go to the layers and you can choose where these things want to be here. For example, if I tap like this, okay, it will be in the bottom side. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the color. Okay, so the layer is black, so the background is black, so I want to change the color to the white, so like this. Okay, now what you can see is that you can make it into a group, like a single image. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I have selected both things. Okay, now I'm going to select multiple, click on select multiple, and I have selected the second part. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create in these two things into a single one. So I'm going to tap the black box, then I'm scrolling to the right, then click on more and click on select multiple. Okay, then I tap on another thing, then you can see the indicator that is two things are selected. Now I'm going to create a tap on group. So now this image is a single image, you see. Okay, now what you can do is that you can tap and change everything. So for example, like if I tap on this, okay, if I tap on this, I can change the color to, for example, green, red. Okay, now I'm going to change it into red. Okay, you see, now I can change the font style of my video, like how to upload a video like that. See that how to upload a video to YouTube using smartphone. The heading, it has crossover. So now I'm going to add some elements, like for example an icon. Okay, now I'm going to search for YouTube. I don't know whether we will get the logo of YouTube because it contains some copyrights. Now you can see there is a small icon called icon like this. So I'm going to use this. So I'm going to shift right here. So now I'm going to add an element of smartphone. In that mobile phone's icon. So I'm going to use this one. Okay. Now I'm going to use an arrow mark. So I believe this is the the arrow which I'm going to use. So I'll tap on that and I'm using like this. So let's move it a little down. Okay, now I'm going to place it like this. Okay, now I'm going to pin down. So how to upload a video to YouTube using smartphone. So that's our thumbnail. Okay, so I believe that this I think the shape has to be like for example more ungrouped, and I'm going to delete the shape. So I'm going to change the color of the font to black. Okay, now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to make like breaks. Okay, adding a break video to YouTube. Using smartphone. So this is our text. So now I'm going to make it a little bit, selecting all. Now I'm increasing the size. Okay, now I am going to text size. Heading has to be, it's like a heading. It's a heading, and I'm going to change the fonts. So it's online, that's why it's slow, and I'm going to use Anton, which is good. I'm going to change the spacing. I'm going to remove this. Okay, how to upload? I'm going to shift them. How to upload a video using smartphone. So this is my thumbnail. So how to upload a video to YouTube? I believe there are some unnecessary spaces are there. I believe so. No, so it's okay. And the spacing has to be like it has to change. Select all. Line spacing. Okay, so now my text is okay. Now I'm going to change the background. I'm going to color it. For example, I'm going to change the color. Okay, now I'm going to add from my gallery a photo. You always have your uploads in the like, for example, this is my upload, so I'm going to use this on the top right, top left. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some kind of a curves, and I'm making it round. So so this is my thumbnail, final thumbnail. This is base thumbnail.
So hope you enjoyed this video. Okay. If you find this video really helpful, informative, you can create something out of it, and please do check it out. Check out our videos, the past videos that I have made related to everything. I'm not into the YouTube and all those steps. I'm into some other steps. I love my content is different. Anyway, I will help or guide people who want to get into this or try to make all these things, basic things. Okay, so check out the other videos and share it to the people who want to learn all these things. So that's all for now. So like or dislike the comment section, you have all the opinions that you can write it down there. So thank you. In the next video we will see you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.